Here we are at the beautiful Coffs Harbour Golf Club, and I want to demonstrate the assembly of the new Tallboy umbrella holder. Often I keep this in my car and I keep it down in this position and simply turn it up to assemble. The assembly process is very easy and much easier than anything on the market. There are two bolts. One is a quick release bolt, the other is a hand bolt which comes out, and these two parts separate to pull it off. To place it on, you simply put the two halves over the front and the back, screw the hand bolt through the middle and wind it up. Then there is a collar, and this stops the umbrella from flying away on a windy day. So you take the cone off, slide it over the umbrella handle, place the umbrella handle in the holder and wind her up. Once you're in this position, you can then raise or lower the umbrella to your desired height. I usually run it there just so that the activation shows, and then you just wind it up and that locks in place. Once you've got that locked, you simply do up the quick release handle like this, and clip it up. Job's done. There's no bolts underneath, no Allen keys. It's very simple to put on, it's very simple to adjust.